Understanding constructors in OOP.
Constructors are special methods used in object-oriented programming to create and initialize objects. When you make a new object from a class, the constructor automatically sets it up with any default or specified values. A constructor ensures that each object starts with the right data and is ready to use right after it's created.
What does a constructor look like?
A constructor typically has the same name as its class and does not have a return type. In many programming languages like Java, C++, or Python, you write the constructor inside the class definition. Its code sets up the initial state, such as assigning values to properties like name or age when an object is first made.
How constructors work.
When you create a new object, the constructor code is automatically called. If you give the object some starting values, those are passed into the constructor as parameters. The constructor then assigns these values to the object's properties, making sure it's set up the way you want right from the start.
Why use constructors?
As constructors ensure that every object is properly initialized before use. They prevent errors by making sure important properties aren't left empty or uninitialized. This consistency saves time and reduces bugs, since every object starts in a valid state, ready for use in your programs.
Different types of constructors.
Many languages support different kinds of constructors. You might see default constructors, which take no arguments, and parameterized constructors, which let you set initial values when creating the object. Some languages also allow you to define multiple constructors in the same class, each for different use cases.